in this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove a Facebook page admin. Let's get started. First, launch a Facebook app and navigate to the menu page. Now you'll need to switch to the Facebook page. So click on this icon given over here and select the Facebook page for which you want to remove the admin. After you switch to the Facebook page, navigate to the menu page again. Then click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now here you're gonna find different option. Scroll down and navigate to the option page setup. Now head over to the option page access. Now over here you're gonna find the list of the accounts that are linked to your Facebook page. In order to remove any of the admin, what you have to do is click on the name, then click on remove. You will be asked to confirm by entering your Facebook password. Once you do that, press confirm. And just like the admin will be removed. Make sure the page has other admin as well. If the page has only one admin, you won't be able to remove the person. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily remove page admin on Facebook. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.